Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start elements, compound and mixture. This is your part 3rd. In a previous lecture we have discussed about the molecule. So, what is a molecule? We will discuss, then we will discuss about the compound. A molecule is made up of two or more atoms of same kind or different kind chemically combined together. Yes, my dear student, what is a molecule? Molecule, there are two kind of molecules. The one molecule in which same atom combine. Here you can see the examples, the formation of hydrogen molecule. What is happening here? Both are same atom, because this is also hydrogen, this is also hydrogen, and both combined together chemically. What is formed? Molecule. So, simple term, what is a molecule? When two and more atom of same kind combine is called molecule. It may be also different kind, but different kind means it is called compound. So, I will make you understand in next slide. So, here suppose I will ask what is a molecule. The molecule is a substance which is made up of two and more atom, combination of two and more atom by chemically combination. It may be different or it may be same, both are known as molecules. So, whenever I ask what is a molecule, the molecule is a substance which is made up of combination. What combination? Chemical combination of two and more atom. It may be same or different. Next, formation of oxygen molecule. Here, what is the formula of oxygen gas? O2. And how it is formed? It is formed by combination of same atom. Here, same atom is there because it is also oxygen. This is also oxygen, both same atom combined together, that is called molecule. It cannot be said compound. Compound means the substance in which two and more atom, it must be different, two and more different atom combined chemically. But in the case of oxygen, you can see that both atoms are same, and both atoms from the oxygen, then it will combine chemically. What form? Oxygen molecule. So, my dear students, oxygen molecule can be said only molecule, not compound. What is a molecule? In the case of oxygen, oxygen is a molecule in which two and more same atom combined chemically, that is called molecule. And whenever you talk about O2, H2, N2, always you will say these are molecule, these are not compound. Why they are molecule? Because they are made up of same atom, Oxygen made up of oxygen plus oxygen, nitrogen made up of nitrogen plus nitrogen, hydrogen made up of hydrogen plus hydrogen. So, these are called only molecule, they cannot be said compound. That's make the difference. What is a compound and molecule? What is a compound? A compound is a pure substance formed by the chemical combination of two and more element in definite ratio, by mass. How compound is formed? By the chemical combination of two and more element. Here two and more element, it may be same, it may be different, but in the case of compound it must be different. You can see examples, the formation of CO2. What is CO2? CO2 stand for carbon dioxide, and you can see there are two kind of atoms are there, carbon and oxygen, and whenever different atom combined chemically, they are called compound. They can also be said molecule, but in the case of O2, O2, N2, they cannot be said compound, they can only be said molecule, not compound, because they are made up of only same kind of atom. But in the case of carbon dioxide, it can be said both molecule and compound. Now, next example, here you can see the formation of water. What is the formula of water? The formula of water is H2O. Formula is water is H2O. It can be said molecule, it can be said compound. Why they can be said compound? Because you can see that it is made up of different kind of element. Here blue color represent the hydrogen and red color represent the oxygen, means there are two kind of elements are there, and when different kind of elements combine together, they can be said compound or molecule. Means water can be said both molecule and compound, but oxygen gas O2, hydrogen gas H2, they cannot be said compound, they can be said only the molecule, because they are made up of same kind of atom. So, what you will say in the case of gases and what will you say in the case of compound? Just make the difference. Whenever you will write O2, you must say it is a molecule, not the compound, but we can, when you write the formula of H2O, you can say both molecule and compound. Now, difference, see molecule and compound. In a simple term, a compound is created when atom or two different element combine. Atom of two different, suppose carbon atom, one carbon atom, two oxygen atom combined chemically, what form? CO2. And here you can see the image, two white color is there, means it is the same kind of element, and red is a different kind, means two different kind of element combined chemically, what is form? Compound. But in the case of molecule, you can see that only same kind, both are red, means same kind of atom combined chemically, molecule formed. But one reason is that it must be noted in your copy, compound can be said both molecule and compound, but molecule cannot be said compound. In the case of oxygen gas, in the case of oxygen gas, you cannot say it compound, only you will say it is a molecule. Why? Because it is made up of same kind of atom, oxygen plus oxygen. So, the like a N plus N, what is form? N2, and N2 is example of molecule, not compound. Why these are the example of molecule? Because these are made up of only same kind of atom of elements. So, what is a molecule? What is a compound? It is very clear. Compound can be said both molecule and compound, but molecule cannot be said compound. Next you can see that all compounds are molecule, but not all molecules are compounds. Already I said here all compounds are molecule, but not all molecules are compound. Like here you can see example H2, O2, N2, these are the examples of only the molecule, not the compound, because they are made up of same kind of element. But H2O, you can say both, it is a molecule also, it is a compound also. The molecule can be compound can be molecule, but molecule cannot be compound. Here it is very clear. A compound is a molecule that has at least two different elements. Yes, my dear students, compound, when compound will form, at least there must be two different elements. Like you can see that H2O, In the case of H2O, you can see that there are two kinds of element, hydrogen element and oxygen elements, means compound must be formed by the chemical combination of two and different kind of element. So, here examples are given H2O2, N2, these are the examples of molecule, not the compound. So, it is very clear what is a molecule and compound, my dear students. Here some examples are given, you can see that compounds, you can see also it is a molecule, but all molecules are not compound. Here what formula of water is H2O. Here you can see how many hydrogens are there, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Formula of carbon dioxide, you can see 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. Formula of nitrogen dioxide, NO2, 1 nitrogen, 2 oxygen. Calcium oxide, 1 oxygen, 1 calcium. In the case of zinc chloride, 1 zinc element atoms, and here you can see that 2 chlorine atoms. Similarly, in the case of NaCl and KOH, both are given 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, 1 potassium and 1 oxygen and 1 hydrogen. In the case of potassium hydroxide, you can see 1 potassium is there, 1 oxygen is there, 1 hydrogen is there. All these are examples of compound. Why they are compound? Because they are made up of different kind of atoms, and they can be said both compound and molecule. But when I will ask what do you mean by O2, you will say only here 2 atom combine, 2 atom. What 2 atom? Same atom combine, atom of same element combine, and what is formed? Molecules. So, O2 you can say it is a molecule, it is not the compound. So, this is the difference between molecule and compound, and some examples are given here. You can see that water molecule, water compound, you can say carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, calcium oxide, zinc chloride, sodium chloride and potassium hydroxide. These are the examples. It is also given in your book. So, it is a very important, learn the formula with name. It is a very important for your examinations. In next lecture, we will talk about mixture, type of mixture and separation of mixture. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you. Be safe. Don't go outside from your house. Thank you.